Hello doctors, Namaste, welcome to Career 360. What we're doing is we're continuing our series of counseling and information backed presentations to help you decide which college, which branch you're likely to get if you are a NEET PG aspirant. And what we're talking now is only Maharashtra. What you must understand is this: your All India rank remains static, but your state rank keeps changing per round also in many states. What we try to do is to actually draw some kind of a parity or some kind of a trend of what is supposed to be your All India rank and what is the likely rank that you'll get in the state. Based on it, what are the kind of seats or colleges that you're likely to get and the branch that you're likely to get. Because ultimately in state counseling, your admission into a particular college in a particular branch depends on your state rank. But you don't have state rank. All you have at this point in time is your All India rank. It doesn't mean that All India rank and state rank that we're about to talk will exactly the same as it was last year, because obviously it depends on the kind of competition that you have in the current year. But what we've experienced is that it normally creates some kind of a trend, some kind of a pattern that you will be able to decipher and you will be able to take a more informed decision. If you have any questions, there is my phone number out here. Please message us and one of our counselors will call you up, and then you can talk to them, chat up with them and understand what you can do and what you cannot do. Right. So let me take you through the data at this point in time. This is for the state of Maharashtra. This is for the state counseling that happens in the state of Maharashtra for the doctors who are seeking an MD or a post-graduation seat. Now in Maharashtra, all put together, the number of seats that you have is 5,903. Right. Of which the government seats are 3,264. All will go through state counseling for sure. Then, of course, there is 15% quota for AIQ. Right, that will be removed from here. And then of this 2,639, a lot of these seats will go through state counseling only. Some as state counseling, which is a slightly reduced price, and some as management quota, but still going through the counseling process in terms of creating that merit list so that only students with merit will get it, or only a student with a higher rank will get it as compared to a student with a lower rank. But in all, if you look at this whole thing, you will actually get about 4,500 seats, which you should be able to competing for. And this obviously includes the 4,500 includes the reserved category also. Now, how does it work last year? Last year, an All India rank 67 student got in Seth GS Medical College in Mumbai at 8th rank. So what was an All India rank of 67 has become Maharashtra state rank of 8. Similarly, a rank of 130 has become state rank of 16. Rank of 189 has become a rank of 21 at the state level, right? And you will all know that a lot of people prefer clinical. So everyone, the first preference is MD Radiology, if you look at it, or general medicine, and that's how it works. So that's the most competitive. What we're giving here is at that particular college, what is the highest closing rank? Remember, it's a closing rank, highest closing rank. So it might have started with 1 or 2 All India state rank and ended with 8. And the All India rank of that student was 67. But if you still want to study only in Seth GS Medical College in Mumbai, then even at 1,39,705, you could get MS Anatomy. Because at All India rank 1,39,705, the state rank was 6,809. You understood that? Please take a picture of this so that you'll exactly understand. If you still need any information, again, messages on this number below, and we'll be more than happy to talk to you and explain to you how it works, right? And if you go further down, Lokmanya Tilak Municipal Medical College in Sion, Mumbai, All India rank was 130, the state rank was 16. In Grant Medical College, Mumbai, All India rank was 189, state rank was 21. And everyone is preferring radiodiagnosis, right? Government Medical College, Nagpur, the All India rank was 273, the state rank was 35. Topiwala National Medical College and BYLNR Charitable Hospital, Mumbai, All India rank was 291. State rank was 37. BJ Government Medical College, Pune, All India rank was 312, state rank was 39. And so on and so forth. All India rank 604, state rank 67, right? And you could get easily, up to 600 also, you'll be able to get radiodiagnosis and general medicine and those kind of things. And in the same colleges, if you look at it very closely, even at 1,60,000, your state rank was 7,164 and someone got MD in physiology. Anatomy seems to be very, very, the least preferred as you see it, because even at 1,69,000, you could get MD in anatomy. the state rank was 7,317. And it keeps continuing, right? Community medicine is another one that's least preferred. Let's go to the next bunch of colleges. Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai, All India rank 728, and state rank of 80, radio diagnosis. MKP Salve Institute of Medical Sciences, All India rank 1,349, state rank 143, radiology. Government Medical College, Miraj, 1,395 All India rank, 150 state rank, MD Radiology diagnosis. Srinagar Technical Institute is a private institute, 1,648, All India rank, 173 being the state rank. So it's actually 130. If you now notice now, 110 to 111 is what you're dealing with. Whatever you have here, you can divide by 10 or between 9 and 11, and that's the state rank you're likely to get. If you see the trend that is there, 1,314, 143, right? So everywhere the trend seems to be there that, if you get it 1 lakh rank, your state rank likely is to be 10,000. No, it may not happen exactly in that way, but at the top level, you'll always find that, if you have a 2,000 rank, you'll like to get 200 rank. And that seems to be a trend that you can see as you move along. And this will obviously expand dramatically as you keep moving down the order. But up to the 10,000 rank, if you see, but all possibility, follow the trend of between 9 and 11 denominator. Now the next bunch of colleges, Dr. Vittal Rao VK Patil Hospital, All India rank 2011. If you see, it's exactly 10 times, right? At 2076, 217, Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation's postgrad PGIM, right? At 2198, it's 226. Again, 1/10, if you notice that, right? So you very clearly notice the pattern, and everyone is preferring radiodiagnosis, general medicine, radiology, general medicine, radiodiagnosis, general medicine. So clinical is what is most preferred. Your rank, All India rank, if you divide by 10, you will likely to get the state rank at this point in time, and make it between 9 and 11 as a range that you can deal with. And this is last year's data, remember that. I don't know how this year's data would be because we don't have the data at a state level for each of these colleges, but you have that all these people, and even at 1,71,000, you could get MD Physiology at 7,363 rank, right? So that's what is happening. Then you go down to the next one, you can very clearly see 2772, 283 rank in Government Medical College, Akola, right? And radio diagnosis. Shankarrao Chauhan Government Medical College, Nanded, 2790, 284 rank. Government Medical College, Latur, 2890, 301 rank. Government Medical College, Chandrapur, 3,377 rank. All India, 353 being the state rank. Maharashtra Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, Nashik, 3688 rank, All India, 383. Right, now it's become a divisible of 9.5 or something. At 3857 rank, you got 397 ranks state. And all of them are preferring general medicine, radiology, general medicine, vagara, right? And the least preferred branch in this is MD Physiology in Government Medical College, Akola, MD Social and Preventive Medicine, MD Microbiology, Anatomy, Anesthesiology, Pathology. That's what is being preferred. And even at 1,92,000 rank, in the Government Medical College, Chandrapur, you could get it in MD Anatomy at 7,642 state rank. You further go down, you see the same trend. Please download this whole thing. Here if you see 7,648 rank, 793, again almost 1/10, right? And that is what seems to be the trend here. So you will actually be able to create a trend for yourself based on this. But this is last year's data. Again, I'm saying this year typically should maintain again between the 9 and 11 range, but you can see the competition as it happens. Now, this is the next bunch of colleges at even 14,452. The best branch here is Vedanta Institute of Medical Sciences, Vedanta Hospital in Palghar. At 14,452, the rank was 1,514. Again, the 1/10 part of it is playing out here. And you got MD Dermatology and right. At 12,229, you had Prakash Institute of Medical Sciences, Sangli, 1,277, again the 1/10, and MD Radiology. So you again see the whole thing, Paediatrics, General Medicine, Paediatrics, but it's all clinical if you notice it. And you come down at 1,79,000 also, you could get it at 7,510 state rank, MD Community Medicine. And then you have the other bunch of colleges. As I said, the number of seats, exactly how you're dealing with about 4,500 seats. So how you get up to 4,500 and what one is dealing with, because there you will be able to squeeze through the state counseling quota where the fees is slightly more regulated and you will be more happy. But if you want any branch in any of these colleges for a NEET PG aspirant, I think the world is open, because there is nothing called a minimum qualification as you see it. Last year 5 percentile was a minimum, they brought it down to. This is they're starting with 50th percentile, but I'm absolutely sure that as they move along, it'll keep going down in terms of qualification, because every year before it was only 0 percentile. Last year it was 50 percentile, then brought down to 15 percentile, then brought down to 5 percentile. And this will be continued even this year as I see it. But coming back to this whole thing, at 36,711 All India rank, you got a rank of 3487. And Government Medical College in Baramati, you got MD in Community Medicine. And that's what happens, right? And here, actually, if you now notice very carefully, the clinical is over. You're now getting into orthopedics, pathology, community medicine. You're getting into that, being the best branch in these colleges. So this is what we have. If you still have any doubts, please feel free to write to us or just message us on the number, and one of our counselors will call you up, and then you can have a conversation with them. Thank you so much. Namaste.